Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing good. So, welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you have done your worksheet I have given you and you have tallied that also. Yes. So, what is our today's password? Firstly, password is condensation. Password is condensation. What is the meaning of condensation? Condensation means process of changing gas into liquid. Process of changing water vapors into liquid form. Clear? So that is condensation. Spelling condensation. Condensation. Clear? Yes. So now I will tell you about the previous session. You must have watched the previous video. So in that video, we have done recap of lesson 5, that is sources of water, which we are doing chapter 5, sources of water, and we have done bookwork also and worksheet of lesson 4, that is tally we have done. So in today's class, what we are going to do, we are going to do keywords, we are going to do very short question answers and short question answers. Okay. Yes children, now everyone open your notebook of EVS. We are going to start our notebook work of lesson 5, that is sources of water. So first of all, you will write the date, that is 18 May 2020, and then here you will write here you will write classwork, and we are going to start with the keywords. Write it in good handwriting. So the first keyword is sources. First keyword is sources, like from where something is obtained. Meaning of sources is from where something is obtained. I think it is small, right? Can't see it. Yes, SOURCES, sources. First keyword is sources. Write it, and then second keyword is constituents. 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 Yes, so constituent means one of the parts to form something. Like कोई भी चीज बनती है उसका कोई ऐसा part. That is constituent. That is constituent. Clear? So this was our second keyword, CONSTITUENTS, constituents. Now we are going to do third keyword. Now third keyword is streams. Streams, I told you. What is the meaning of stream? Stream is a small river which is a source of water. Stream is a small river which is a source of water. So STREAMS, streams. Okay, which is a small river. Now fourth keyword is impurities. Fourth keyword is impurities. Yes. So impurity means a substance that is present in another substance which make that substance dirty. जो substance को गंदा कर रहा है. So that is impurities. Clear? Again repeating the spelling, IMPURITIES. Impurities, a substance which makes another substance dirty. Clear? Now the fifth keyword is evaporation. Fifth keyword is evaporation. Firstly, what is condensation? Password was condensation, no? So what is condensation? Condensation is the process of changing gas into water. Process of changing water vapor into water. Now condensation is just opposite of evaporation. So what is the meaning of evaporation? Changing of water into water vapor. Changing of water into water vapor. Clear? So that is evaporation. 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 Done? Now the sixth keyword is, yes, moisture. 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 So moisture is water in small drops on a surface or in the air. Small drops में जो water है या तो वो surface पे है या फिर air में. So that is moisture, जिसे हम नमी कहते हैं हिंदी में. नमी. Clear? moisture. Moisture. Now the seventh keyword is exposed. 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 So expose means to show something that is usually hidden. जो एक्चुअल में हिडन है बट उस चीज को दिखाना, दैट इज एक्सपोज्ड. EXPOSED. Exposed. Now the eighth is condensation. That is password of today. Condensation, process of changing water vapor into water. condensation. Condensation, process of changing water vapor into water. Ninth is dew. Ninth is, yes, DEW, dew. So dew means a small form of, like, small drops of water on plants or leaves during the night. नाइट के टाइम में इन द विंटर्स हम देखते हैं कि बिल्कुल छोटी छोटी ड्रॉप्स होती हैं वाटर की जो लीव्स के ऊपर या फिर प्लांट्स के ऊपर आपको देखने को मिलेंगी. क्लियर? दैट इज नॉन एज ड्यू. अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ द 10th कीवर्ड इज frost. Frost is that weather in which the temperature is less than 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius से भी कम का टेम्परेचर हो और ग्राउंड पे एक ऐसी आइस की वो बन जाए, बिल्कुल नीचे आइस हो जाए ग्राउंड पे, धीरे धीरे से आइस आने लगे. सो दैट इज द वेदर विच इज लेस देन 0 degree Celsius नॉन एज फ्रोस्ट. FROST, फ्रोस्ट, जो बहुत ज्यादा ठंड हो जाती है. क्लियर? After that, I am erasing it. Last keyword is, that is 11th keyword. Yes, vapors. Vapors क्या होते हैं? Vapors, I am giving the example of steam. आपने कभी steam निकलती हुई देखी है? Like when you are boiling something in kitchen, then you will see some little drops of water you will see in the air, that are vapors. Okay, so mass of very small drops in the air, that is known as vapors. VAPOURS, vapors. Done? So we have done 11 keywords. First is sources, constituents, streams, impurities, evaporation, moisture, exposed, condensation, dew, frost and vapors. I hope आपको सबके मीनिंग अच्छे से पता चल गए होंगे. Now we are going to do very short question answer. Open your notebooks. Yes, and write very short question answer. We are starting with the question number first. After this heading, you will leave one line and then you will write question number 1. So what is question number 1? Name 4 natural sources of water. Yes. Name 4 natural sources of water. कोई भी हमें 4 natural sources बताने हैं water के. I told you rain, ocean, stream, river, lake, pond. I told you about this. So now we have to write only 4. So answer is 4 natural sources of water. 4 natural sources of water are first I am writing oceans, rivers, streams, and rain. Ocean is the largest source of water, most largest source of water, which covers 2/3 part of the earth's surface. Rivers and streams, which like किससे बनती हैं? वो mountain के जो peak पर like snow हो जाती है. जब वो snow summer के time में melt होकर नीचे आती है तो river और stream बन जाते हैं. Stream is a small river and rain is the purest form of water, purest source of water. Write this question. Yes. So now question number 2 is, see you can write it later also because I will send a PDF file also. So you can copy from that. You can just अभी मैं आपको साथ साथ इसका समझा रही हूँ questions भी. So आपको अगर समझना है so you can understand it and you can do it later also. So question number 2. Question number 2 is, yes, firstly, how much portion of the earth's surface do ocean covers? How much portion of the earth's surface do ocean cover? Yes. So earth surface का कितना portion oceans cover कर रहे हैं? That I told you. Yes. So write the answer. अगर आपको इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम आई then I can explain like how much portion, P-O-R-T-I-O-N, portion means a part. Like this is earth, okay? Some part of earth which is covered with ocean only. Clear? So that is portion. Portion of the earth, post to face, then surface do ocean cover. Answer is oceans cover more than 2/3 TWO2 then hyphen and then you will write third. It is, you can write in this form also, fraction form. किया है ना थर्ड क्लास में फ्रैक्शन. सो इसको जब हम इस फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं तो कैसे लिखते हैं? 2/3. क्लियर? 2/3 and of the 2/3 of the earth's surface. Understand? So ocean cover more than 2/3 of the earth's surface. 2/3 से भी ज्यादा पार्ट कौन कवर कर रहा है? Oceans. Yes, do it fast. Then we will do question number 3 of the very short question answer. Yes, so question number 3 is, question number 3, what is the process of water vapor? What is the process of water vapor changing into water called? Yes. So, I hope most of you know the answer of this. Process of water vapor changing into water called. क्या बोलते हैं उस प्रोसेस को जिसमें वाटर वेपर चेंज हो रहे हैं? किसमें? वाटर की फॉर्म में. Yes, our today's password, that is condensation. So that process is known as condensation, like process of changing water vapor into water. Now we will write the answer. Answer you will write, the process of water vapor, process of water vapor changing, process of water vapor changing into water is called, yes, so that is condensation. Condensation. Understand? Do it quickly, then we will start with the short question answers. Yes, hope you have done very short question answers. Now we are starting with the short question answer. So question number first. See, there are 4 questions of short question answers. So, in this session, we will do only 2 short question answer. And after that, in the on Wednesday, there is second session. So then we will do 2 short question answers and 1 long question answer also. So the first question is, what is underground? What is underground water? Yes, so underground water क्या होता है? What is underground water? Water which is under the ground, that is underground water. Like when it rains and some water goes in the ground, that water is underground water. Now the answer is, right answer, when it rains, then you will put a comma. When it rains, water goes, you will write rainwater. Yes. When it rains, some rainwater. When it rains, some rainwater goes into the ground. Some rainwater goes into the ground. कुछ water कहाँ चला जाता है? Ground के अंदर. This is called underground water. This is called underground water. Understand what is underground water? When it rains, some rainwater goes into the ground. This is called underground water. Do it, then we will do question number 2. Yes. Question number 2 is, how do we get underground water? अभी बात हुई कि what is underground water? Now, how do we get underground water? हमें वो underground water कैसे मिल सकता है? How do we get underground water? How do we get underground water? So, the answer is, write the answer. We get underground water. कहाँ से ले सकते हैं हम underground water? कौन कौन से sources बताए थे? We get underground water by digging. Digging means खोद कर. Digging means खोद कर. By digging wells, tube wells. By digging wells, tube wells and hand pumps. Wells, tube wells and hand pumps. So how do we get underground water? We get underground water by digging wells, tube wells and hand pumps. So this is question number 2 of short question answer. 2 questions are left. We will do that in the next session and hope you are doing it in good handwriting. That is all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.